If you have no friends, people assume you're broken. They say, "That's sad." They say, "That's weird." They say, "You must be antisocial." But no friends is not a diagnosis. Sometimes it is a choice, sometimes it is protection, and sometimes it is a survival plan. And if you want clarity, you need to know which one you are. There are 3 common patterns: selective, protective, stuck. First, selective. Some people have no friends because they don't enjoy casual connection. They don't like group chats. They don't like repeating the same small talk. They don't like plans that feel empty. They might cancel often. They might reply late. They might disappear for weeks. Not to punish anyone, to breathe. They prefer one real conversation over 10 shallow ones. And listen, this is not arrogance. Being selective does not mean you are better than people. It means your energy is limited, and you spend it carefully. Self-check. When you socialize, do you feel tired even with good people? Do you feel relief when you go home? If yes, you may not be lonely. You may just be wired for quiet and depth. But here is the warning. Peace can turn into isolation if you never let anyone in. You don't need a crowd, but having one honest person matters. Second, protective. Some people have no friends because they learned to stop trusting fast. Maybe they were used. Maybe they were mocked. Maybe they were the strong one who carried everyone. So their brain builds a system. Be polite. Keep distance. Stay safe. This is not weakness. It is survival. But survival is not the same as living. Here is the real question. Are you choosing peace or are you avoiding pain? Because protection can quietly become a wall, and walls block harm, but they also block warmth. Self-check. Do you want closeness, but feel tense when someone gets too close? Do you share jokes, but hide your real feelings? If yes, you don't need to force friendship. You need slower trust, better standards, and fewer people. One safe person is enough to start healing. Third, stuck. Some people have no friends because they want them, but they don't know how to build them. They overthink messages. They replay conversations. They wait too long to reply. Then they feel awkward. Then they avoid. This is not unlikable. This is often anxiety and a lack of practice. Social confidence is a skill. Skills grow by repetition, not by wishing. Self-check. Do you write a message, delete it, then do nothing? Do you assume people don't like you without proof? If yes, start small. One message, one short meetup, one simple line. "Hey, how have you been?" That is not weakness. That is training. Now the stoic truth. Your value is not your friend count. Your friend count only shows your current pattern. So pick one next step. If you are selective, keep your standards. But schedule one real connection. One coffee, one walk, once a month. If you are protective, respect your past. But stop treating every person like the old threat. Let one safe person see one real thing. If you are stuck, stop waiting to feel ready. Ready is not a feeling. Ready is a decision. Send the message today, because you don't need 10 friends. You need one honest connection and a life you respect when nobody is watching.